Hello, my lovelies. Bienvenue au mon maison. Welcome to my house here in France. If you're not familiar, if you're new here, my name is Jakara, and I own a apartment here in the south of France, about 30 miles outside of the town of Beziers. So I thought I would do a different kind of video today and just take you with me around the apartment and show you some updates, things that I've been working on and things I'm planning. I'll even show you a couple of rooms that I haven't shown before. So if you want to see that update, then stay tuned.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes.
Okay, so for those of you who've been watching a while, you know that I purchased a home here in the south of France in last year, March of last year. So we're coming up almost on the anniversary of that date. And I just wanted to show a little bit of what I've done so far. There are videos and there's a whole playlist called My French Apartment that you can just check out and you'll see everything that I've already done. But as you see, I'm standing here in the foyer. This was one of my favorite transformations. I included the floor and everything. So I got some hooks over here for my coats and things. I love this foyer. I love the yellow. I even love the art. It just kind of came together very serendipitously. And I enjoy it. When I came here this time, it just like greeted me, gave me this warm hug. And I couldn't wait to get to my pink bedroom, you guys. This is my pink bedroom. I've always wanted a pink bedroom since I was a little girl. It's my favorite color. It's pink and green to be exact. My favorite color combination. And, I bought a bunch of these things, furniture pieces at the Brocante. Let me turn you around here so you can get a better view. Okay, so this is one of the rooms I worked on the last time I was here. Like I said, it's the pink and green room. It's supposed to be kind of like a floral theme here. I got all of this, most of this stuff secondhand here. I love this mirror that's in here. And some of the updates I'm going to make to this room is I'm going to put in a new wood floor, I guess, what is it? All right, so I'm going to put in new flooring eventually in here. I'm going to hang a bed crown here with fabric coming down. I'm going to put more art on the wall because I need to finish my flower series that I'm going to put on the wall. And I think that's going to be pretty much it as far as this room. Now, here's one of the rooms that I don't really show very often, but this is the reality situation. This is my utility room. And as you can see, it is very much in need of repair. This is all the equipment that I've accumulated. This is just some rubbish I need to take to the dump or tip, depending on where you're from. Because I don't have a car that's registered here, I have to get permission to take my garbage, like this big stuff, to the tip or to the dump. So I have to go to the mairie, the municipality, and ask for a letter so that I can get in there and take this there. I was going to do it last time because I did have the letter from my last rental car, but I ran out of space in the car, and I ran out of time. So I'll get to this. This will be out of here. This is the old water heater that I thought I might have to replace, but I do not have to replace it. I'm so happy. This whole wall is going to get rendered with plaster eventually. But even this wall here, I would love to make this a bathroom, meaning an actual bathtub here, because I like to take baths, and the toilet room is right next to this room. So I think I could probably pull it off. It's also going to be like a laundry room as well. So yeah, it looks terrible now. It's a mess. But, it takes time to get these transformations done. This is my kitchen. More rubbish I have to get rid of. This is new stuff that I just purchased. But yeah, it looks kind of pretty much the same from the last time I was here. A refrigerator and this little cart thing that I got from IKEA. I love it. I'm going to keep it there. I'm going to probably add some cabinets here, cabinet here and here, and then mount put a worktop over that, over the refrigerator and over the cabinets. And so I'm hoping to go to IKEA next week, or actually this coming week. It is closed today because it's Sunday, so I couldn't go today. Here's some of my art that I've done. This was supposed to be a rose to go in my garden bedroom, but I don't know what happened to the paint while I was gone. It kind of disappeared. So I have to repaint that. And my little portrait there. So yeah, this is the kitchen. The sink is actually in here. It's full of dirty dishes because I haven't done the dishes yet. I'm probably going to do something down here, put like a curtain across with a tension rod, and then like put all of my cleaning supplies and things in there, bleach and dishwashing liquid and stuff like that. This tile is old as can be, but I'm not gonna change much in here right now. I think it serves a purpose and it's good enough. Good enough for right now. So maybe in the future I will do something with this room, but for right now, I just close the door and move about my business. Okay, so then we move over to the salon. Now, the newest thing I added to the salon is this couch cover, which I got from Amazon and I brought over with me from Chicago because I knew I probably wouldn't find anything that would fit this here unless I went to IKEA. And I didn't think I would get the velvet because I wanted a velvet. I wanted something really soft and comfortable. I'm probably going to add a mattress pad to this because this lets out into a queen size bed. So because this lets us into a queen size bed, I am going to use this as my second bedroom, I guess. I guess that's how it was used before, as a second bedroom. And so I'm gonna put curtains across here, and so that the person, whoever stays in here, would have privacy. There was a curtain rod up here. I knocked it down. But I am going to do something with this floor. These are like original Tummet tiles. They're like terracotta tiles, but they were covered with vinyl sticky tiles, which were terrible. And now they have this kind of, I don't know what this residue on here. I bought some acid so that I can remove this layer and reveal the terracotta underneath. Eventually I'll get to that. I'm hoping to do that before I leave here this time. Again, the furniture, other than the sofa, all of it is, and the chair over there, which is part of the dining room set, and the kitchen set. Everything else is secondhand. The chairs, the table. I'm going to transform this table. I'm going to probably paint the base a dark color and refinish the top of it. I'm not going to touch these chairs because these chairs here are antiques, so I'm not going to really mess with them. I don't mind the gold velvet. I think that's cool. The wood is not too orangey versus this is the door frame. I'm going to change the color of this door frame here into a more richer brown color. This is a bibliothèque that I purchased last time I was here, and I'm going to transform this as well. It used to be a rifle case, like a gun case. At least that's what they used it for. But I'm going to take all this pink. I love pink, but I don't like this color pink. And it's gross and stained. So I'm going to pull that out of there. And then add shelves in here for books. So that is one of the projects I want to get done before I leave here this time. There's storage underneath, and as you can see, I've painted the walls this color. I want this to be a dark, kind of snug type room, a cozy room, because it doesn't get, there are no windows here, right? So the only window is that one from the kitchen where I have the shutters closed so you don't see the light, but that's the only light that's coming from the outside. I'm gonna embrace the fact that this room is a dark room. I'm gonna try to improve the lighting because that's the only light in here. I'm gonna have like a standing lamp here and then some end tables with a lamp here on the table. Some artwork up here. But all the walls are gonna be this dark kind of green, blue-green color. I love this color. Let's see, that's the color right there. And as you can see, it goes well with the burgundy, which is the color of the couch. I also bought burgundy curtains to go with this room. So I purchased these today. They're just like a burgundy. So these are gonna go in the doorway to close off the doorway and make it private if someone's staying there in that room as a bedroom. And then one of the last things I'm gonna do in here is refinish this desk. It is an unfinished, restored desk. I love the carving and the wood and everything, but it just needs to be refinished. So I'm gonna do that hopefully before I leave. So as you can see, I have lots of projects in this room in particular. The next room I haven't ever shown, and I'm gonna show you now, is the bathroom. Now, prepare yourself. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's functional, so that's all that matters at this point. It actually wasn't functional before, and so now it is, and I'm excited about that. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, there's like mold on the wall down there. I gotta get rid of that mold. It's dry. It's not dangerous in any way. I just have to bleach it off. This room is really damp, and it gets damp so badly that I have to keep a heater in here just to dry up the heat. And I also have a little container of a chemical that dries up the space, like a dehumidifier. As you can see, the walls are kind of bulging from all of the moisture that happened, and this whole back panel is just destroyed, and this all has to be replaced. I don't know what to do with it because, like I said, it just holds moisture, and I think the moisture is coming from the ground. It's not coming from any pipes that are leaking, although my toilet is leaking right now, which is why the bucket is right there. This shower is not ideal. There's some tiles broken off here and here, which I have bought some tiles to replace that. I haven't used this yet as a full-on shower, but I did change the shower head because it was an old grimy shower head. I'm gonna replace this hook thing here. This is okay for now. The taps are okay. I'm not gonna change it right now. When all of this gets like ripped out, then I'll change the hardware. But for now, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna hang a pole from the ceiling, and then it's gonna have the curtain that hangs from the rod off the walls. You'll see, I'll show you guys hopefully in a video soon, coming soon, because this is like the next room that I'm working on. And then there's the sink here, and It's a very old sink, but I love this ceramic sink. I just don't love that there's two different taps and there's no mixer, right? So I have to buy something that's gonna mix the hot and cold. That's gonna be in the next phase of bathroom renovation. So, hi, I'm right there. So yeah, I just have this little shelf here to hold all my bathroom type stuff. It's not organized in any way, but again, once I get this room in a more presentable fashion, then I will probably get something cuter than this shelf and make it look nice. But before I leave this time, I definitely want to get this room to a point where I'm not embarrassed by the walls. And I have a shower curtain so that I can take a full-on shower instead of just using the shower head. All right, you guys, that's it. That's the end of the tour of the apartment and all the updates I'm going to be making. Look forward to those videos coming soon. Like I said, I'm going to be doing most of these projects over the next few weeks. And I will be sharing them with you as they occur. Hopefully I can get to everything, but I probably won't be able to get to everything this trip. I usually only come every 3 months or so. So if I don't get it done this time, I'll do it next time. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this tour and all the updates and me sharing all of my plans with you. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. It helps with the algorithm and it brings more eyes to my channel, which I'm trying to grow the channel here. So if you are inclined, if you want to see what's coming up, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, au revoir.